What is the function of an HTTP server or Hypertext Transfer Protocol server? So we have file storage. That's the first answer that we're given. File storage is not an HTTP server. It is for FTP. File Transfer Protocol is what handles file storage. Then we also have, email handling is one. That you should know as SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So you have email handling, which is a type of mail, and this type of mail is handled by SMTP. SMTP is what receives mail from the server. IMAP and POP is what retrieves them. So a little bit different. Then we have name resolution. I know this is definitely not an HTTP server function because name resolution is done by DNS. And what it does is essentially translating google.com to an IP address, something computers can understand. Google.com is 8.8.8.8. You can try that in your browser if you type it in, but name resolution is what does the translation, DNS, domain name services. And then we have serving of web pages. So serving of web pages, that's going to be HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is when you type something into the URL, like a website, and all of the information on the site loads. That is done by an HTTP server. It has to, the request is sent to the HTTP server, the request is sent back, and all the page information is loaded. So the serving of web pages is the function of an HTTP server.